Hello, dear viewer, I am Evelyn. This is my first video, and in it I will show you how configure and how to connect bot to Metamask. This bot will automatically buy and sell your chosen token with installation, at what price to buy and sell. I think you yourself will understand my bot is absolutely free. I just want everyone could earn on tokens. The bot has a stop loss, automatic token sale at the desired price, automatic purchase of a token at the desired price. The bot can switch between networks. It will work in the same way as Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Poocoin and others. Just add the URL of the desired network. I will leave all the necessary links in the description for the video. Like this video, and enjoy the music.